Hello everyone and welcome back to the phenomenal session, right? And in this video we will be talking about GST, all right? And near about 15 to 20 minutes I will be taking, and the most important, you might be knowing many kind of MCQs, many kind of tricky questions to handle, but the few things you doesn't know yet. Yeah, the few important topics you doesn't know yet, in which the probable expectation that you will be getting the questions in the examination. But see, in mathematics generally maximum students, teachers, even though me also, we all depends on problems, but the things doesn't depends on the short tricks. Definition वाला भी कुछ ऐसे भी system होता है ना, definition, meaning, formula, we doesn't know yet. And because mathematics, and we all believe on what, we all believe on problems, we all believe in numericals. So these are the questions, these are the topics you doesn't know yet, and which I will be letting you know over here. And if you want to know the entire lecture, if you want to get the entire lecture of GST, the link has been given in the description box as well as the I button. You can go and watch it out. And if you want to get the PDF of GST, again with an explanation, PDF of GST MCQs with an explanation, again the video has been successfully uploaded. You can watch it in the I button as well as in the description box. Again, the most important, that the things which you doesn't know, right? बहुत लंबा सवाल जो अगर if I will be giving over here, or the teachers, students, friends, parents, they will be giving you, people can handle, but the things you cannot know, that is the topics, the formulas which you doesn't know and which you should know अगर एग्जाम में आ गया तो. All right. And again the most important, what more left? Yes, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, इसमें से सेक्शन सी से नहीं आने वाला, जीएसटी सेक्शन सी से नहीं आने वाला. दैट मीन्स 4 मार्कर गिव ए बिग क्रॉस, बिकॉज 4 मार्कर क्वेश्चन जनरली इट विल नॉट कम इन जीएसटी. इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग, इफ यू आर रीडिंग, प्लीज माई डियर मोस्ट स्टूडेंट, माई ब्यूटिफुल स्टूडेंट्स, रीड इट स्मार्टली. ओके, बिकॉज यू माइट बी थिंकिंग जीएसटी इज वेरी इजी, अच्छे से करेंगे, रैंडम करेंगे, क्या फायदा? कुछ नहीं, बिकॉज दो ही मार्क चमकेगा इस चैप्टर से. That doesn't mean you will be getting 10 marks from this. No, you will be getting only 2 marks in the commercial part. Commercial part stands for banking as well as GST. Max to max 4 marks. Max to max 4 marks. 4 से ज़्यादा नहीं मिलने वाला. Don't ever think that you will be getting lots of questions. 40 से 4 mark. So don't give a lots of importance to this chapter. Don't give a lots of importance to the commercial part. Give the same importance to the similarity. Give the same importance to the quadratic equation problem. Give the same importance to the AP. It will definitely boost yourself, boost your marks. All right. The things which you should know about the GST. Let me have a little bit brief about GST, गुड सर्विस टैक्स. शुरू कब हुआ था? दैट इज 1 जुलाई. कौन से ईयर में? 2017. माई डियर मोस्ट चिल्ड्रन, सी, लिसन टू मी, एंड अगेन आई एम सेइंग दैट वॉट एवर आई विल बी टॉकिंग, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन चमकेगा, जैसे चमकता था. इन विच हिस्ट्री सिविक्स, आई हैव सेड द पिक्चर क्वेश्चन, हिस्ट्री सिविक्स डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन गॉट. You have got the direct question. Year question में बताया था, as I have written in the whiteboard, the same direct question also you have got in the history and civics examination. In this way also direct you will be getting. If yes, do comment right there. Other students also wanted to know. If you are new to this platform, you can check the comment of the other students. They have done a successful comment over there, whether the question has come or not. Matter is not about that. As let me stick to the topic. GST or comments on 1st of July 2017. And remember, GST is 2 type. GST का 2 टाइप होता है, डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट. Which type of GST is? GST is both direct as well as indirect tax. डायरेक्ट टैक्स क्या होता है, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स क्या होता है? डायरेक्ट टैक्स इज पेड बाय द इंडिविजुअल, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स पेड बाय द organization. And GST is both the tax. It can be paid by individuals, it can be paid by organization. ये सब बात तुम्हें नहीं पता है? If yes, do agree with me. You know many things. You know many things like how to find IGST, how to find CGST, SGST का इतना होगा, 18% देते, यहाँ का 10, यहाँ पर 10,000, 5,000. वो इसमें क्या होता है? The things which you need to know this. If question will be coming. Which type of tax the GST is? डायरेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट, और एक ऑप्शन देगा, ऑल ऑफ दिस. बात खत्म. देन वहीं से तुम्हारा विकेट बोल्ड, देन देयर ओनली यू विल बी प्लेड ऑन, यू विल बी जस्ट having your wicket fallen down. So don't do those and try to understand the logic, because logic will be helping you out in the future ahead. Ignore those. So these are the things, and the highest percent of GST is 28%. 28% से ज़्यादा नहीं होता. 28% is the last GST. Agar the question also in question they will be asking what is the highest percentage of GST? 28%. Remember this. Intrastate you know very well. Intrastate कहाँ बैठता है, intrastate कहाँ बैठता है. And the most important, SGST similar to dash. What is the SGST similar to dash? And my tuition students know this, because I used to put a random questions regarding this. Those who are reading near me, they know this. Apart from that, other few, that doesn't mean you don't know. Everyone knew, but यहाँ पर थोड़ा फंस जाओगे. That is UTGST, Union Territory Good Service Tax. यहाँ पर भी फंसोगे. ये भी, इसे भी बोल सकते हैं. As well as CGST is also known as Movement of Goods. These all the things you don't know. You only know कैसे कहाँ 18% निकालोगे, CGST कितना होगा, IGST. That is not a matter. वो भी कोई भी कर सकता. अगर ऐसे सवाल आ गया तो गया फुस. So moral of the story, you have to understand this all, and the IGST also lead integrated tax, where to put. Yes, CGST and IGST, which type of tax? Intertext or intratext? Comment करके बताना. I don't know that. And these are the things. And क्वेश्चन, ये तो यहाँ से तो क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा. एंड द क्वेश्चन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, इट विल बी कमिंग लाइक 4 मार्क. गिव अ वेरी गुड बाय टू द 4 मार्क क्वेश्चन. व्हाई टू इरेज? गिव से वेरी गुड बाय टू द 4 मार्क क्वेश्चन. 2 मार्क में भी नहीं आने वाला एज आई थिंक. और इफ इट विल बी कमिंग फ्रॉम द बैंकिंग, 2 मार्क का आ सकता है. जीएसटी में एक ही सवाल पूछा जाएगा, बैंकिंग में एक सवाल. 3 या 4 मार्क का सवाल तुम्हें पूछा जाएगा कॉमर्शियल पार्ट में. इज इट क्लियर? एंड फ्रॉम द जीएसटी आई पर्सनली थिंक दैट द क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग दैट suppose I belong to Odisha, right? Suppose for an example, Odisha. From Odisha, a purchase an article is bought for rupees 20,000, right? And it is sold in a Bihar. कितना में बेटा? Suppose Bihar, rupees 30,000. GST is all about 10%. Which type of tax you will be applying? Definitely IGST. क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा IGST कितना IGST कितना ना 10% ऑफ प्रॉफिट क्या है, प्रॉफिट किया है, यहाँ पर प्रॉफिट क्या ऐसे करके करना है तुम्हें, राइट? एंड इन द 30,000 यू हैव टू एंड द प्रॉफिट, व्हाट अमाउंट द प्रॉफिट डज इट मेड. 10%. अगर मैं यहाँ पर कर दूं GST 10% ऑफ प्रॉफिट के ऊपर ही 10% का निकाला. ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन इतना डीप वाला नहीं आएगा, बट आई एम सेइंग दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग एंड मैक्सिमम टाइम द क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग इन दिस वे. सपोज बिहार सोल्ड इन द बिहार. सपोज ओडिशा से खरीदा 20,000, बिहार में he sold in a Bihar the same 20,000, but I will be talking about here that find the CGST. राइट? बच्चे बहुत होते हैं यहाँ पर CGST करते हैं. कितना होगा CGST? oh wow sir, very easy, 2,000 rupees, but zero. It will be zero. It not be 2,000 rupees. 2,000 will be is the what? But not 2,000 will be is the IGST. CGST 0. SGST the same is 0. Is it question? This type of very very easy question will be coming to you. Do not worry about that. And ITC, income tax credit का formula. ITC का formula क्या होता है? ITC full form income tax credit. ITC formula क्या होता है? These are the things will be coming. No lengthy question from the GST. अगर आ गया तो नसीब का खेल. I generally pray near Almighty के GST के 4 मार्क का आ जाए, but नहीं आएगा. If it comes, I will be really thankful to Almighty because you can easily secure 4 marks. So a question similarity का होगा, एक क्वेश्चन GST का होगा. Definitely you will be giving lots of priority to GST. Not only you, I, every teacher, every student, they will be giving because GST is easy one, right? So I hope little bit 10-15 minute का session. I think that little bit 10-15 minutes का session is really helpful to you out. If yes, do comment right there. And yes, these are the question will be coming, nothing more. And before going to that, direct, indirect, these are the things you should know. And for more details, the link has been given in the description box. Go to the link, watch the video, take the PDF from there. Question सवाल करो, हम अपने आप से बना है. I have done the PDF by my own. I have set and I have done the PDF. Very important questions also is there. Little bit tricky question also there. GST near about 10 to 15 number of questions. ज़्यादा भी कुछ नहीं है. Do that all question. If you have any kind of problem, you can solve it out by having a comment. No problem regarding it, right? So these are the things. And for more details, I will be coming stronger in the next session. So I hope the GST chapter is really helpful to you. अगर तुम्हें पता नहीं, फिर से let me remind, only 3 marks. Only 3 marks from the commercial part. No, don't give a lots of importance to the GST. If you want to give a lots of importance, you can definitely give to the other subjects, sorry, to the other chapters, my dear most children. Similarity, many more. Similarity, quadratic equation, give a lots of importance to that topics. And do not go anywhere, because I will be coming a one shot video, an entire one shot video in mathematics. Don't worry. Thank you very much.